We're now getting you investigation updates in Delhi court shootout case. Now there is a proof that has emerged of a Don, Tillu's hotline from the prison. Now what we're talking about is 1-year-old photograph that reveals how precisely these gangs run even when they are under arrest. Look at that photograph on your screen. That is from 2020, about a year ago, from behind Mandoli prison. This is one of the Don Tillu, it appears, whose people were involved in the shootout in Rohini court that led to the murder of arrested gangster Gogi. He is seen video calling with, according to our sources, a Supari killer. And all of this was happening from Delhi's Mandoli prison. Now, Rohtas is the same contract killer who was also killed in the court shootout after he gunned down Tillu's rival, and another gangster who was already under arrest brought to the court, Gogi. So this is on camera. This is literally a Don and a contract killer talking while this Don is behind bars. And this is what we want to now bring to the surface. We also will be joined by our colleagues soon on that. But a fact that while behind prison, how did these gangsters have access to visual is my question to Shreya Chatterjee. Shreya, this is 1-year-old photograph. How will this possibly investigators use it to try and nab more people and conclude the investigation in this case?
Well, see, Pooja, this photograph clearly establishes the fact that Tillu Tajpuria can talk with the people even while he is lodged inside the jail. Now, this is the very thing that is being coming up again and again during the investigation, that the entire conspiracy to carry out a shootout to attack Gogi was hatched inside Mandoli jail by Tillu Tajpuria. This photograph is probably the first lead which points it out and brings it before us that clearly it is not a very difficult task for Tillu Tajpuria to get in touch with people. That's exactly what he did. And you know, when the other two who's now been arrested, Umang and Vinay, they have also revealed how Tillu Tajpuria had asked Umang that 2 contract shooters will be staying at his rented apartment, and from there they will be moving to Rohini court, is why he was also waiting outside the Rohini court in a car to get the 2 shooters out after the shootout. It is a different thing that the Delhi police immediately fired upon them and the 2 assailants were killed. But the entire plan is clearly something that was hatched inside Mandoli jail, where Tillu Tajpuria is lodged. Clearly, why we keep on saying this, that there is a huge possibility that Delhi police will also be questioning Tillu Tajpuria, and there's every likelihood for that thing to happen so far as the Rohini shootout is concerned.
Keep tracking all the latest, Shreya Chatterjee, with a visual where a video calling is happening right when they are even behind bars. Absolutely shocking state of affairs, this in India's capital city.